Good morning, my dear students. I hope you are enjoying virtual classes. And now, today, I will start our next chapter, Observing the Sky. My dear students, sky watching can be a fantastic experience, and it is the best done at a place where there are no bright lights and the atmosphere is clear without cloud and dust. There are so many questions are arising in our mind. Their stars are really stationary or moving in the sky. There are any other celestial body that can be seen in the sky beside the stars. So we have observed the sky during the daytime and night time, and you have find out the answer of these questions. Now let us try to find out the answer of these questions. First of all, I will discuss the daytime sky. Daytime sky, there are some questions. The sun and the other objects in the sky. This is the daytime sky when the sun is rising. What do you observe? What do you think we can see in the daytime sky? This is the daytime sky when the sun is setting. What do you observe? This is the daytime sky when the sun is high in the sky. What do you observe? What else can you see in the daytime sky? You can see the clouds in the daytime sky. What do you think we can see in the daytime sky? Yes, this is the daytime sky when the sun is high in the sky. What do you observe? This is the daytime sky when the sun is nearly set. What do you observe? What else can you see in the daytime sky? The moon can sometime be seen in the daytime sky. What else can you see in the daytime sky? You can see an aeroplane, an helicopter or a hot air balloon in the daytime sky. Which object in the daytime sky have patterns? The sun. We have observed all these things in daytime sky. Now, at the daytime sky, we can see the sun during the daytime, and sometime even we have seen the moon. And the sun dominate the daytime sky because of its the brightness, and the daytime the sun shine in the sky, it makes the day bright. So we can see the sun during the daytime, not see the moon. Without the sun, earth will be in total darkness. The sun shine all the time, and it shine on the other parts of the earth. During the daytime, the sun appear to move through the sky. It appear to rise in the east and set in the west. Now, why do so? Sun rise in the east and set in the west? Because of this, the apparent motion of the sun for us, because the rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east. Already we have studied in the chapter our solar system. We can also sometimes see the planets like Mercury and Venus during the early morning hours. These planets named as the morning and evening stars, and they are seen very low near the horizon in the sky. Next one is the nighttime sky. Nighttime sky. Let us you have see the different objects like the moon, stars, and the black sky. We all know that moon appear in the brightest and most recognizable object in the sky at night. And the moon, the star, and the planets and other celestial bodies are also seen in the night sky. So the planet Venus is the brightest object in the sky, and after the sun and the moon we can see in the sky. Venus is not only a planet we see in the night sky. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and the other planets are also can be seen in the night sky even without our unaided eyes. It's a nighttime sky. Already you know that you can see the moon, and moon goes around the earth, and the light of the moons come from the sun. Next is stars. What are stars? Stars are the very large number of the stars you have seen in our sky. These are the huge pair of very hot gases having light of their own. Means these are the celestial body having their own heat and light are called star. Sun is the largest star of our solar system. It is interesting note that the sun is also a star and the star nearest to the earth, and it may come as a surprise to you because but of its the brightness is the less than the many of the stars. So now we know now that our sun is a star of the average brightness. The stars are clearly seen at the night. They seem to be twinkle in the night sky, and they make the sky beautiful at night. Stars are million of times further away from us as compared to the distance of the sun from us. Reason behind this, sun appear like a ball to us and the stars appear only as a point or dot form. Star appear as the dim point in the night sky because due to the very large distance from us. So do not despair during the daytime, but we can't see these stars during the daytime because of the sun brightness. Some stars are the big, others are the small, but during the day we can only see one big star. It is the sun, and the sun is a medium-sized star. Some stars already told that some stars are not visible during the daytime due to the sun brightness. It is our topic is stars and the daytime and nighttime skies, and tomorrow we will meet again a new interesting topic of this chapter. Thank you and take care.